Hello dear friends, Fisher here. Today I'll give you an example of how we receive love from God fully. You see, the animals, especially our pets, the children, they're so pure-minded. If you give them love, care, they receive fully. And now I will show you my girl cat, my little tabby cat, how she receives love.
Nunu, what do you want, Nunu? You want TLC. I know, you're very good at receiving. Aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, dear friends. You see, previously I talked about how to love. First, we have to receive the love from God through Bruno. And then, whenever I see my cat, my girl cat, it reminds me how we receive love from God. Look at her. The animals, they are so good at receiving love. I keep giving her love. She just keeps receiving it. She feels very, very good. So it is the same when we receive love from God. God's love energy is everywhere. So if we want to receive, we can receive God's love energy like an animal, like a cat. You can't give her more. You can't give her enough. Whatever you give it to her, she'll receive. I can keep doing this for 1 hour. She'll be still staying here and receiving. Isn't it, Nunu? Isn't it? I know you. You're a TLC cat. Is that right? Let everyone have a look at your face. I know you. You're very good at receiving. Look at you. Look at you. I know you. You have demonstrated a way of receiving love.
You see, dear friends, the animals are our teachers. Our pets, they are not only our best companions, they are our teachers too. Dear friends, everything happens in your life, everybody around us, every creature, little tree, and little insects, they all are our teachers. Yes, dear friends, I learned a great deal from my 2 cats. I learned to give love. So when we give love, we know what love really is. And then I learned from my cats to be patient, to really be patient with them. Not the patience I have, but God's divine patience coming to me and within me. So dear friends, please receive love from God like your pets receive love from you. Every day, sit down, absorb God's divine healing energy. That energy contains peace, love, harmony, calmness, happiness, joy, everything good, dear friends. God's divine energy has all the elements of good. We should have a good day, and God bless.